going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We are literally at 499 subscribers as I'm recording this. One away from our goal of 500, so throughout the day, I'm gonna be refreshing my phone to see if we can hit that during the vlog. So today, we gotta wash the car and then install the fourth brake light that I just got from IJDM Toy. Let me show y'all real quick. It looks so good. I got the smoked inside with the red outside. There's like all smoked and then there's some that's all red, but I think this is a good combination of both. So we gotta go wash the Nismo and then install the fourth brake light, and hopefully we'll hit 500 subscribers before I'm done recording, because as promised, we are gonna be ordering the StockBoys stickers at 500 subscribers. So hopefully we hit that by the end of today. Alright, we just got done washing the Z. Also, someone came to test drive the Genesis earlier, and we went for a drive. I freaking missed that turbo sound. It sounds so good. But anyways, look at the Z. It looks so clean. It's so shiny. Yeah, it looks super clean. We're about to install the fourth brake light. But before we do that, let's get a cold start. Alright, so we gotta take the reflector off. There's a clip right here, and then there's two more bolts on the back. I don't know if the camera will get it. Two more bolts that we gotta get, and then we gotta start taking off all the mats and stuff. Alright, we took the mats off. We gotta get all these clips off, and then take this liner off, and then take all the plastic off, and then we'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we took the clips off, we got this whole piece off, took the plastic off. Now you gotta take off this, the socket, and this. There's another clip right there. And then this piece should come off, and then we should have one more bolt under there, and then we should have complete access to the tail light. And then we gotta take these off down here too. Alright, so we got off all the screws. Take off the metal piece, and now you have to do is take off this screw and this screw, and then the reflector should come right off. Alright, got the screw off. Tail light should pop right off now. Just gotta disconnect it right there, and then we should be able to do the wiring stuff. Alright, we got all the bolts off. I'll finally take the stupid reflector off. Nissan, why'd you do this to us? Just give us a fourth brake light.
You gotta edit that out, bro.
Oh, it looks so good already. Okay, so we put it in through there, got the wires, brought them up through here. Daniel and I touched hands in there. It was really cute. Wires here. Now we just gotta figure out tail lights, splice, put them together. Hopefully match up the right colors.
If not, the car blows up.
Alrighty then. So we're gonna check. We're gonna check to see if the lights actually work, or they gave me a janky thing.
For the second time, because Obaid couldn't get it the first time because he didn't have the ground in.
Alright, remember guys, always get your ground in.
Why'd you say it like that?
Alright.
The ground in.
Actually, can't do this. You hold this.
That's responsible.
Alright, so I got the ground on. Ground, reverse light in. Did it work?
I don't think you're touching it. Alright, it's flickering because you're not having a...
Okay, so anyways, reverse light works. Let's check. What is green? I don't know what green is.
Green is go. Yeah.
I think green is, what does it say? Green is brake light. Okay, so brake light. Alright, and then red is, should be just on daytime. Okay, cool. Alright, let's go back to the tail lights and get it going. Alright, so we finally got it installed. It is freezing cold here. It's like 50 degrees. After we got it installed, we had to test it for a little bit, and then my battery died. It was flickering. I looked like a damn cop car. It was going crazy. But now, we got the Genesis. And we're gonna try to jumpstart it now. Just when everything is going good, the freaking battery dies. Why? Alright, so let's jump this. Well, this is a sight I never thought I'd see. Alright guys, good morning. It is now Sunday. So last night, everything went well. The install finally happened, and then my battery freaking died. And then I tried jumping in. As you can see, we did it with the Genesis. I tried with the portable as well, and nothing was working. I think this thing is completely dead. So today, I guess I'll show y'all how to take out a Z battery if you don't know how. And then we're gonna go over to O'Reilly, I think, get a new battery, install that, see what the fourth brake light looks like, and then this video should be finally over. When you're trying to take out your Z battery, it's really easy. There's this clip right here, take out with the flathead. There should be 3 up here, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. And then there's the middle brace that you take off with the 10mm. If it would focus, 10mm here, here, 1 more there, and then under this there's 1 more, and of course take off the battery cover. So I'm gonna go do that, get a new battery, install it. But in the meantime, take a look at this exhaust clip that Daniel and I installed. It's the Billy Boat axle back on a C6, so enjoy that. Alright, so we got the new battery installed, fourth brake line installed. I was waiting till it became around sunset so I could record and test it out, see what it looks like. So I'm gonna give the camera to this guy, and he's gonna record. We're gonna record and see what it looks like, and we're finally gonna peel off this plastic. You know when you get a new car, you just never want to peel the plastic off, so we're gonna peel that off.
Where'd you have the Z thing? Good. Is it on?
Yeah.
Is it live?
Yeah.
Dude.
Bro, that looks so
Was
sick.
that the first time you did it?
Alright, hold on. Alright.
What the? So this one's some Chinese music.
Alright, so tell me when I press on the brake if it works.
Oh. Okay.
Is it live?
That ass.
Alright, you can press on the brake.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm driving. Did you see Obliti's reaction?
Fine. Oh! Bro, that looks so sick. Time to peel it off. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, the freaking fourth brake light looks amazing. That is a must install on your Z. I don't know why they had that reflector there, but it looks so good. That's gonna be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I know the install wasn't like a step-by-step tutorial, but just to recap really quick, all you gotta do is take out the pins, take out your mats. There's gonna be a bolt for that driver's side tail light. Take that bolt off, take the screw off, and then pull out the tail light, match the colors up, wire them together, go underneath for the reflector, take out the 2 bolts underneath, and then you're good to go. The install is not that bad. It was just freezing cold, and hopefully your battery doesn't die, but it was not bad at all. We freaking hit 500 subscribers, yo. Let's freaking go.
That's lots. It's a lot.
What about you, Zubair?
What a bum.
Alright, anyways, we hit 500 subscribers, so thank you so much for the support. I really didn't think we would make it this far. It's kind of alive. StockBoys stickers are on the way. I'm about to order it tonight, so let me know if you're interested in one. All you gotta do is Venmo me or PayPal me $3 for one, $5 for 2 stickers. So it's gonna say hashtag StockBoys. It's just gonna be like a white hashtag StockBoys sticker, and I'm only ordering X amount, and then after that we're gonna have like a different type of sticker set up on an online store. So this is like only an X amount of like the OG StockBoys stickers, so get them while they're here. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'll see y'all next time.